Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can access your cPanel webmail. So let's get right into it. Now, cPanel is, of course, the GUI which is used for website management, Linux-based, all of that jazz. However, cPanel does have three different, well, places where you can be. You can be on the actual cPanel, you can be on WHM, and you can be on the webmail. You can create webmail addresses through cPanel. However, I'm pretty sure you cannot log in to webmail through cPanel. However, you can access it freely by the simple use of a URL. Now, you can access it through either your server IP address or the server domain address, and you can use both interchangeably to access all of these products. You can access cPanel, WHM, and webmail. However, all of them rely on the port number. The port number is, you just type in HTTPS and then your either IP or server domain address, and then colon and whatever these four numbers are. These are the port that this address uses, and that port will take you to different places. So if you want to go to cPanel, for example, you can type in 2083. However, if you want to go to webmail, you'll need 2096, and that is pretty much it. Now, all of your credentials work on all of these, including the WHM, which is port 2087, by the way. But yeah, you can just use your credentials very easily through that, and by just changing the port from 2083 to 2087, that'll take you, or 2096, that'll take you directly to the webmail, where you can use your cPanel credentials to be able to access the webmail. Now, depending on your server setup, you might need a security token, which is added next after a / after the port. As you can see, it looks like this. You enter the protocol, then you enter the address, then you enter the port, and then you enter the security token. And then if, of course, you need a security token at all, and after you enter it, that will take you directly to webmail, and that is pretty much it. And yeah, there's nothing else to mention. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.